Now it has cozy case. Hello everyone, I am Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing my experience of using La Organo's vitamin C serum with you guys. So for a couple of weeks now I have been trying out some products from La Organo, and today I am talking about their vitamin C serum with you guys. So this is a 20% of vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid, glutathione, kojic acid, aloe vera extract and grapeseed extract. This is meant for all skin type and has no silicone, no paraben. Now I have already shared two vitamin C serums with you guys last year that I used, and you know how I love vitamin C serum. It is very effective on skin. Now this vitamin C serum has a very small clean ingredient list, very effective ingredients in here. So let's just talk about the ingredients just tiny bit, then we can go with the serum itself. Now it has vitamin C, of course, 20% of vitamin C, that is really very effective on our skin. We all know how good vitamin C is for our skin. It can brighten our skin, it can lighten dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, everything. It can work on those things. Now this serum has kojic acid in it, and kojic acid is known to have anti-aging properties and antimicrobial properties that help fight against acne and treat tiny pimples. To be honest, I have never used glutathione, but as far as I know, people take glutathione in their supplement, tiny capsules in their supplement. I just looked what glutathione is, and this is what I found. So glutathione is one of the most powerful antioxidant naturally found in human cells that neutralizes free radicals, boosts immune system and detoxifies the body. It helps in skin whitening and lightening by converting melanin to a lighter color and deactivating the enzyme which helps produce the pigment. So it sounds like it helps in evening out skin tone and works on the hyperpigmentation on our skin, that age spot, it works on the age spot. So it does not sound that bad, it actually sounds good, and I am very excited to see the results. But it does not exactly whiten our skin, it just brings out the natural skin tone of our skin. The side effect that people really have from glutathione, it is with the supplement that people take, it affects liver, but with in our skincare products it does not really have any side effect. It is really good for our skin. This serum comes in a UV light protected glass jar. It comes with a pump. I really like products that come with pumps. It is easier to use. Now this serum claims to lighten our dark spots and brighten our skin and helps with anti-aging. The consistency of this serum is completely runny. You can see here. See, it is completely runny and has a kind of light yellow color. It has a very faint smell to it, very little smell to it. That after using it, the smell just goes away in just like 1 minute or so. This serum is completely non-sticky, it does not have any oil in it, and it is water-based formula, so it is perfect for an oily skin. I have oily skin and I have open pores, and I always feel like products clog up my pore. So any product that does not clog my pore is really good. So does not clog my pore, it does not feel sticky or heavy on my skin. When you use any vitamin C serum, normally they feel very sticky on our face and they have a very thick consistency. This on the other hand is very lightweight and totally non-sticky, gets absorbed into the skin in just a minute. So I really like this serum. It is very easy to use. This serum did not cause me any kind of pimple or any kind of acne or anything. I do get acne every now and then. I have a very acne prone skin, so I get acne, but this product on its own did not cause me any acne or any tiny pimple, no redness, no rashes, nothing on my skin. It is absolutely great for my oily skin. It says on the packaging that you can use it both at the daytime and night time, but I would strongly suggest to use it at only night time, because any kind of serum or treatment should go on our face at night time while our skin gets a good night rest. This serum has a hyaluronic acid, but I still think that applying a moisturizer after this serum is very important, because it does not dry our skin, but it does not also give any kind of hydration. It is really good for an oily skin type, but I do feel like that for a dry skin it will also be fine with a good amount of moisturizer applied afterward. And also this one is very nice for sensitive skin because it does not irritate whatsoever. But if you have sensitive skin, you should definitely patch test this product before using it. After using this for around 2 weeks now, I did notice my skin looking a little bit brighter. Now I am not talking about skin lightening, because no product can lighten your skin. I am not talking about skin lightening. I am talking about getting a even skin tone and bringing out our original skin tone that we have. Normally with the pollution, dirt and sun, our skin gets darker. With this serum I did see my skin getting bright and my skin started to glow, and you can see right now I do not have any foundation on my skin, just a little bit of powder and kajal, lipstick, nothing, no foundation at all. So this is what my skin is looking right now, and I will put a picture right here. It was a month before this one that happened to my skin. You can see how my skin has healed with the help of this serum. Now I did not use just this serum on my skin, I also used some other products, but this definitely really helped. This product is retailing for around 1049 rupees, but I think there is a discount going on. I am not sure. I will put the price up here. It is available on Amazon, Flipkart and of course La Organo's official website. Do check them out. I will also post some more videos about products that I used on my skin to get from this kind of skin to, well, this one. I will post this all the products that I use. If you are interested, then stay tuned to my channel by subscribing to me. I will see you next week. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.